at the transition where we've covered a lot. Is there anything else that you think I need to know? And it was literally just yesterday. I had someone that I closed that said, I just want you to know that I am fully ready and committed to make this happen. So whatever you need from me, I didn't even pitch yet.
Yeah.
And then I went into the pitch and obviously closed, but yeah, so
The prospects are literally saying to you, because of the frame control, when you've actually mastered yourself, internal mastery, and you've ditched all the canned lines, they feel like they have to qualify to you. And in
mhm,
fairness, they do, because you're self actualized at a much higher level than them. No
mhm.
disrespect to the prospect, but you're actually showing up and doing the work to become more as a person. So, literally put, you're above them in terms of you having done internal mastery work. And they can feel that. Whereas when you're a salesperson that's on the same level as your prospect, or even the salesperson's lower, your only tool in your tool belt is to try and wrap someone up with word tracks that are like logic traps. It's like,
Mhm.
well, how about you just quote unquote trap the person with the fact that you're actually the guy or you're actually the girl, and therefore they're looking at you and going, yeah, you know what, I should actually check myself in the mirror and commit to the things that I say I want to do, and I'm going to step up and join whatever the program is. It's a big difference in the way to sell.
Yeah.
Is there anything else on your end as far as your experience in the mastermind, any of the different things you've learned, internal mastery, starting to learn scriptless selling, the members being a part of the community, myself, you would like to share with other people on the outside to do what we're talking about in the sense of showing them the data? They can come to their own decision. If they want to join, cool. If they don't want to join, that's fine too. But
Mhm.
sharing with them some of the data that you have that they wouldn't have.
Just looking at my own personal experience, like my main regret is just not joining way sooner. Like I did go through that logical analysis of like, okay, well, I should at least make some money from high ticket sales before I can spend it on this. But realistically, if I had just joined in month one rather than month five, I'd probably be up way more. I'd probably have made 20, 30K a month for the last 5 months as opposed to just this last one. So I cost myself a ton of money. And yeah, can you kind of prove that? No, but you know realistically. The other side of it too is it is the long game as well. Like once you're on the inside, there is more things that I can learn and watch and spend my time on inside of there than I can even do, right? It,
100%.
it's going to take me a long time to go through all the stuff in there and not only just watch the stuff, but implement it, come back, watch it again, implement it. says this, and I might butcher it a little bit, but ingrain it inside of you. Like you have to write that program inside of you and instill it. And I had that thought of it originally. I was like, okay, I'm gonna be here 4 months, and then I'll be done with, and then I'll be done, and then I'll be great. I'll have gotten what I needed to out of it. And it's like, no, like if I'm not here for 2 years, I'm doing myself a disservice in all reality, because I know myself well enough right now that it's not ingrained yet. And if I exit, I'm gonna slip right back to where I was a few months ago. That's the main thing is like having the honest conversation with yourself right now. And the unfortunate thing is whoever's on the outside probably actually doesn't have the ability to have that discovery on themselves, which is the sad part. Because the fact that they can't run that discovery on themselves and take themselves through that process to make that leap is what's costing them and why they don't have the results that they have right now. So, given
100%.
that you don't have that, join so you can have someone like Jacob run a discovery on you. And being going through that on the other side will help you start to run those discoveries on yourself. And you'll be shocked at the results that you get.
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own, All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.